Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, November 18th. It is an async day. That means we will not meet on Zoom as a class. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, and then you'll click async. Today, you have 2 activities to do in async. The first activity is in MEL, okay? So you are going to do activity superlatives 3 in MEL, okay? Second activity is a Nearpod lesson on compare and contrast. You already know what's up. You already know how to do a Nearpod. I don't have to go through them. But just for fun, I'll go through it today a little bit. So it's how to compare and contrast. And then you have some activity quiz, and you'll answer the questions. Okay, and then keep going until you're done. That's it for async. We will not meet together as a class, but a few things. So we have been conferencing. So from 7 to 8, I have 4 people signed up here for conferences: Raphael, Pierre, Irma, and Griselda. If you have not signed up to conference with me, you need to do that as soon as possible. Then from 8 to 8:45, I will be reviewing paraphrasing. Okay, how to paraphrase using the async assignment from yesterday. So if you want some assistance with that, I will see you at 8 p.m. on Zoom if you need help with paraphrasing. Also, there's a wonderful activity with Student Services highlighting Higher Education Week. So do you have plans? Do you know what you want to do after Carlos Rosario? So there's this wonderful talk about the different programs there are and also about the scholarship program. It will be this afternoon from 5 to 6:30, and the Zoom code is here on the bottom. All right, that's it. Good luck.